Hi everybody. So today I got couple of things in the mail I've been waiting for. One of them I expected today, the other one I did not expect today. I'll just go over that real quick. Was the replacement uh Synco microphone set. So I'll have to do a video on that and compare it to the other ones and see if this interferes with my drone the way the other one did, and if it has sound breakup problems the way the other one did, if I can replicate that situation. But this is the one I was expecting right here. This is the sound card, basically, as they call it, that's going to replace this. This one, the new one, has my minions. So you can tell the box is a lot bigger. So I'm guessing the unit's a lot bigger. So we'll open it up and find out. I see no branding anywhere on it. It just says Webcast sound card. No brand. It says capacitance recording makes a clear, full, rounded. The appreciance of small, delicate, charming wings to the song. Okay. Uh, Whatever. Okay, you can see the bottom. This box, you can tell, has been beat up. It came in a milling bag, basically a plastic like bag. So let's open it up and see what if there's any damage on the inside. Okay, it had that on top. Turn it around here. There we go. So this was on top of there. You've got a little, it's a warranty card, little bit of instruction manual. There, it doesn't tell you a lot in this thing. Really, I looked one up online, looked at it, and not really a lot of info in there. And what it does tell you, it's hard to read and hard to understand. It does say warranty card on the back, but nowhere does it give you a manufacturer name, an address, anything like that. If you had warranty, it doesn't tell you who to contact, nothing like that if you have a warranty issue. So basically, worthless. Okay, the cords we have the USB A, USB C connector for hooking for the computer, I'm sure. A 3.5 millimeter to 3.5 millimeter wire connector. This has got 4 segments. Another one, same thing, 4 segments. Another one, same thing, 4 segments. So you've got 3 of those and 1 USB. Outside of that, doesn't look like anything else in the box here, so let's pull this out. And we'll just get the box right out of the way. It's empty. And here's the unit. Plastic bag. It's got a little weight to it. It feels like metal. It is a thin metal like the other one, although the other one, the bottom here, was plastic, where this one could be thin metal. Later time we'll tear into it and look inside of it and see. But there we go. All these are plastic, of course. The The switch pins are plastic tops. I'm sure the potentiometers are plastic, just like on the other one. See if I can. Yep, that's not even metal there. That's plastic for the potentiometers. So overall, pretty cheap materials. And you got all your controls here. It does have a lot more than this one did. You can tell it's quite a bit larger. And I think it has my minions, where the minions in this one was not working. So what I'll do next, I'll go ahead and hook this up, run a couple of sound tests, and run a sound test in this real quick so I can compare to see if the microphone output is better, because the microphone output on this was very low. I had some complaints on my last live stream from a friend, said that he had to turn his speakers way up to hear me. So that needs to be corrected somehow. So first I'm going to hook this one up and do a real quick sound test. Okay, alrighty. We are now on the V8S small sound card. Everything for my microphone. I gotta get rid of this echo real quick. There we go. Uh, wow. I turned it on studio mode and it goes to echo, but I'm just gonna try this original sound mode. I can see my meter right now at this distance is peaking. The highest I'm getting is maybe negative 30 to 25. And to get any higher than that, up to negative 20, I have to put my mouth right in front of it like this. The microphone, everything on here is turned all the way up. Bass and treble, just going to turn to the middle, and I'll give it one sound effect. Sound effect, I got halfway up, turning about 30 decibels, something like that. So let's swap and see how the other one works. Okay. Whoa. Okay, the echo I should have off now. Uh, Turn that monitor down a little bit. Okay, right now I'm peaking out about negative 15. Sit back from the mic a little bit. So right now I'm sitting a little over that distance from the mic, and I'm peaking around from negative 20 to negative 15 dB, which I think is a lot louder than it was with the other one. And if I go right up on top of it, I'm peaking out way up at negative 5. So going almost into the red. I guess I am going into the red when I do that. So as far as that goes, I think the microphone output is a lot better on this box. Let me put it here. And the camera's seeing it flicker. It's not really flickering. It's just the camera flicker in the machine. Of course, you have volume and bass and treble and all that. If I turn the echo up, get a little echo there. It's got the dodge, and this changes your voice here.
Like I can turn it
Up that way, and more I turn it changes. So
Do that, or you can just go.
here use the male voice,
the female voice,
the baby voice,
the uncle boy voice.
and the robot voice, and I think
I should be back to normal now. I don't know what some of these are. We just go dry. And right now I'm not going to go through all that. I'll just do a separate video for all the buttons and all that. I'll just show you the inputs real quick, show you what they look like. So I don't know if my camera is seeing it all that well because it is hooked up to my computer. I'll move my computer a little bit and maybe we can have a look here. You have the dynamite connector, which does, I'll have to test, condenser mic, headphone, monitor, which does the same thing headset phone does. I guess it's actually headset. So I guess if you had something with a microphone, earphones, you'd plug into that. Monitor, so I can turn my monitor up and down so I can hear myself. We've got a sound. These are all 3.5. The only one that's not 3.5 millimeter connection is this one, the USB for the hook into the computer, and the dynamite. Also, we have the accompaniment, and live 2 and live 1. I'll try to get a better picture of that for the next video that shows the buttons and everything, but it does have my minions, which the other box was supposed to have but did not have. So I now have my minions. And there should be, and the cheer on this one is not a wolf howl as well. So, and the echo here is just a slide button. But like I said, I'm not going to go deep into this now. Just show you this and compare it kind of to the one that did not work well. So I think the audio, I'll be able to use this better because of the microphone audio that this puts out, because this way I don't have to be right up against the mic like I was with the other one, and I think I'll have a more uniform sound because I am peaking up to 15 on the scale right now. So I don't know how good the mic sounds, but it is at least enough volume so I can be heard, I hope. And looking on the box, there is no FCC tag, licensing tag, so it doesn't conform to interference regulations that most other products in the United States do. Like you'll have anything else usually made in the United States has a FCC tag on it, tells you who made it and who it's licensed under, all that. This does not have any of that. So maybe when we tear it open, we'll find out more. So the V8S, the little one, was about 48 something by the time shipping and everything. For the new one here, this is called the Live Sound K1. That cost me $52 basically, including shipping. It was actually $2 and something for taxes, what they charged on it. So thanks for watching. Have a good one. Bye, y'all.